Hey there, another retro video, a little less retro. This is what I believe to be a 2000 Cannondale F800 with a fatty head shock that works with lockout. This is literally a barn find from a very nice lady in Hulls Harbor who got this bike from the Cannondale dealer, and she said she dated the man way back. So that's pretty cool. Original owner bike, and it was a literal barn find, as it had a thick 1mm of barn dust, like from hay and stuff. Oh boy, yeah, it was pretty dusty, but it was worth the clean. The copper color is pretty cool, I think. Got the Avid 1.9 single-digit adjustable levers with the dial, which are cool. Kona double-butted riser. Shorty Coda stem, body geometry saddle, a Coda crank, which I believe might be the 700 or 900 series, LX front, derailleur XT rear. Now this has the Coda Expert hub set, which is the first I've ever seen. Very cool. Why they would put those on Zach 19s is beyond me, but Zach 19s are pretty good. Just a little, I would have expected a Mavic, something a little nicer, that's all. But the hubs are great. I can always lace up new wheels. And a goodie basket. I wonder what it's in it. Who knows? And last but not least, Welgo pedals. Ooh, who loves me some Welgos? Loves them. And another fresh set of Specialized Hard Rock flak jacket tires, which are pretty cool. And I think that's it for this bike, except it's got a really cool layback Ritchie style post, which I've always loved. There we go. Thanks for watching. No burps in this video.